What? No, I got $500 on the way.
Look, we're not leaving the fuck out of here, okay? There's something gonna happen. We're all gonna die, all right? It's gonna be a crash.
Hey, kid, that ain't fun.
No, we gotta go right now. We gotta go. I saw the whole thing, right? There's gonna be a huge crash.
Of course there's a crash. There's always a fucking crash.
Whoa. What crash?
That fucking crash. That's what crash I'm talking about.
Are you shitting me? It's the whole reason I come to these stupid redneck things. No offense.
No.
My wife's in there, asshole!